In this video, we'll show you how to navigate the event layout. From the dashboard, you'll see your list of events. Click on one of the events. Now that we're inside the event, you'll see there are a number of tabs at the top that allow you to navigate through the various aspects that you may want to view. By default, we are starting on the event details page. I didn't enter anything other than the name, so the rest of these fields are empty. By clicking on the Players tab, we'll see the enrolled players, and you can add a player here. We demonstrate this in a separate video. The Scores tab shows the scores of players. Here you'll see it says to add players before you add scores. Since there are no players added, you cannot add a score. The Games tab will show you all of the games that you have for your event. The status for each defaults to open, but you can change these to in progress or closed simply by clicking on them. The Tournaments tab shows you the tournaments that you've created. Click on the tournament name to expand or collapse the details. Now I can see all of the details of the tournament. We'll go more in depth about this later. Finally, we have the Brackets tab. Click the bracket name to expand or collapse the details. Clicking here, we can see all of the details of the bracket, with all the options at the bottom. We'll go into more detail on this in a separate video. If you'd like to start your event, click the Start Event button. This gives you a warning so that you know you're not starting it prematurely. Typically, you'll want to start the event after you've added all of your players, and teams if applicable. You can also delete the event by clicking the Delete Event button. This will give you another warning to make sure that you're not doing that accidentally. Finally, we have the Back button at the bottom and at the top. Clicking either of these will take you back to the dashboard.